Hey, job seekers. Here's an amazing opportunity for you. Zoho is hiring software developers with 0 to 3 years of experience. If you're passionate about coding and ready to take your career to the next level, this is the perfect chance. Zoho is looking for talented individuals who have strong skills in C, C++, and Java. As a developer at Zoho, you'll be working on high-performance applications, writing efficient code, and contributing to the full software development cycle. This is your opportunity to work with cutting-edge technologies in an innovative and fast-growing company. The job location will be anywhere in Tamil Nadu, and it will be assigned after the interview process. Keep in mind that only shortlisted candidates will receive an interview call letter via email. So, make sure to provide accurate details when applying. Now, here's the important part. The last date to apply is March 7th, 2025. So, don't wait until the last moment. If you meet the requirements, apply as soon as possible to increase your chances. And hey, if you're actively looking for job updates, we've got you covered. Join our WhatsApp, Telegram, and LinkedIn channels to get instant notifications about the latest job openings. The links are available in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Click the link, apply now, and take the first step towards an exciting career with Zoho.